is the piano shop in the lodge, and it's lift short time. Now to the first lift, which is a piece of crap.
Doors opening. Please, mind the doors. Doors closing. Floor 1. Doors opening. Going down. Please, mind the doors. Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening. Going up. Please, mind the doors. Doors closing.
The next lift is another stupid generic. Oh, well, at least let's rather this, but because this one is a car park. It's a spooky car park lift.
Doors opening. Please, mind the doors. Doors closing. Parking. Doors opening. Going up. Please, mind the doors. Doors closing. Floor 1. Doors opening. Going down. Please, mind the doors. Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening. Going down.
The next lift is another stupid generic. This is a so that's rather stupid generics. Or generics in the oh wow. This is so this is so rotty. This is so sweet.
Doors opening. Please, mind the doors. Doors closing. Floor 1. Doors opening. Going down. Please, mind the doors. Doors opening. Going down. Going down. Doors opening. Going down. Doors opening. please. Mind the doors. Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening.
And now, what is behind this ceremony? Oh, look, a light switch. I wonder what's in this light switch. These belongs a very full labyrinth. It has lots of crappy generic. Anyways, now onto the 2 floors building and into the lift there, which is SIGCMRL. Let's drive it! Seriously.
Second floor. Ground floor.
And now, that was a very nice lift, and that's my experience. It's about filming the lifts in here. My experience was a very good experience, but at this time, and now, later on at this time of night, there are no people in skyscrapers to tell me off. So let's try pressing some light switches. Wow, I didn't actually manage to do this. Did I press a light switch and the building seems like dark. Oh no, it is now getting dark. Let's go to the sky control. Let's press set. Let's get the sky back tonight. Okay, now that the sky is night. Haha, there are no wasters of time to get his sky back today. And now, as I later on, I just the next lift is a crab generic, or well, something. The next lift to go down to our car park is another SIGCMRL. There it is. Which I hope these billionaires friendly signs to ask me to film any live. Anyways, and now to the next part of the village and into the next league, which is another side GCMRL.
Second floor. Ground floor.
Annex into a parlor atrium of a shopping village and into the next league, which is another side GCMRL.
First floor. Ground floor.
I don't know whether that kind of that is interacting with my camera. Anyways, and now to the next lift. As there's another lift to go down to the car park, and it is another side GCMRL, which was the last lift that the last lift that I of the car park. I don't know if I filmed this live when I did a tour around here with Mushroom back in 2016. I don't know.
Ground floor.
Oh look, I am back to the ground floor and now to the next building, and the lift is another stupid generic. Oh well, this is the last generic that I'm going to ride
Doors opening.
in this shopping village. So there is another that will go next.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
So keep.
Doors opening.
Oh, oops.
Going up.
Oh, this lift doesn't have door close button.
Mind the doors. Doors closing.
Hehe. So keep it in my own goddamn business.
Floor 1. Doors opening. Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors